We live inside so many communities just in our environment and in our ecosystem. My name is Rothumentary. I use they, them pronouns. I am the Campus Conservation Course Supervisor and Landscape Manager. I took some sustainable ag internships like at local farms around here, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't imagine my life not working on the land. And so I decided to go do some landscaping as like a side hustle to get out, and I started loving it, and I opened my own landscaping business when I was 19. When I heard that this position came available, I was like, hell yeah, I would love to be a part of the stewardship of this land, and it has been a great honor. I would say I'm a community-based person, and the communities that I'm involved with, whether it be the people variety or the variety on the land, which is so many, I think those draw me in. I really wanted to drop in and be passionate about the environment and share that passion and steward that and find community in that. And I feel really lucky to have found it not only with my colleagues but with the students. The ways that we build relationships with each other outside and with our surroundings is so cool. That definitely draws me in and keeps me here. One of my main focuses is developing a groundedness and slowing down and being present with the land and seeing who is here, because this land is so sacred, it's so beautiful, this valley. I want to foster these relationships with plants and with fungi, but I think we need to break down the green wall first. So many things Warnelson is doing well already. We have really cool plants all over campus. We have cool medicinal plants, cool food plants. I want us to have labels with species name. I want us to look like our really dope botanical gardens. Because I want people to walk out of their dorm and you can't help but see this plant is a forsythia, this is a camellia, this is a lilac, this is a rhododendron. But you're just immersed. I want people to leave this campus being oh, I can identify a rhododendron. Oh, I can identify a mountain laurel. This field is discouraging, but is it life-giving too and healing? It is. When I was 18, 19, I pivoted and I was I cannot see myself working in office. I want to be outside and I want to put my hands in the dirt and learn about earthworms. Work takes things away from me, but the healing and the connection and the sense of place and the sense of self that I get from all this outweighs it. Environmental studies has to be one of the more discouraging fields because of the doom and gloom of what is happening to our climate and to our environment. I think sitting in the trouble is also one of the reasons that keeps me here. One of the things I love about being a staff member on this campus is the permission to be a student. It's a learning environment for us too. I learn more about myself and I learn more about my surroundings by sitting in the trouble. This is how we deal with a hard problem. I never want to stop learning. I never want to stop being curious, and I think this community helps that. My lifelong goals are to heal and to have a connection with my environment and my surroundings and who is here. And so I think that will keep me curious and interested and alive for the rest of my life.